now move on and shift our focus to poll-bound Tamil Nadu. Big news coming in from Tamil Nadu. We have learned that actor turned Neta Vijay is set to file his nomination papers on 30th of March for the Perambur Assembly constituency. Now, this is a big news that we are getting for you. This is what sources have told Times Now. And as we are moving closer to the D-Day for Tamil Nadu, the latest update is actor turned Neta Vijay is set to file his nomination from Perambur. Let's go across to my colleague Dharini, joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Dharini, good evening. So Perambur it is, for Vijay, as you also had reported a couple of days ago.
Looks like Vijay is going to file his nomination from the Perambur seat on the 30th of March. Sources tell us that Vijay is all set to file his nomination papers from the Perambur Assembly constituency in North Chennai. And in fact, the Election Commission has also given permission for Vijay to hold campaign events on the same day in Perambur and Villivakkam constituencies. So soon after filing his nomination papers, Vijay will carry out campaign events in Perambur and Villivakkam Assembly constituencies in Chennai is what we're given to understand. So definitely it looks like Vijay is all set to contest from Perambur. And in fact, we filed a special report from Perambur a few days back. We spoke to tens of people from the constituency to understand the Josh and to understand what they think about Vijay. And what we could sense on the ground was, it was full of mixed opinions. While some people say that Vijay is not needed and that Mr. Stalin has done enough for their constituency, there is also another section of people who feel that he's the successor of MGR and J. Jayalalitha. So many traditional ADMK supporters, especially women, they seem to be taking the side of Mr. Vijay instead of Edappadi Palaniswamy this time. So it will be interesting to see how it all plays on. But for the time being, 30th March seems to be a very important day for the people of TVK.
All right. Thank you very much, Dharini. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story. Let's now move on and